Hi, buddy. I'll open this and I hope it's got Aurora.
You think it's gonna be Aurora?
Yeah,
All right. Why don't you start opening it?
I think.
Let's see which one it is. Which box this is. That's right. These are the Disney princesses.
And how about this princess?
Cinderella,
Yeah.
Aurora.
And look at this one.
Okay.
Cause I really like a dress.
All right. You ready? Let me help you open it up. Hold
Yeah, let me open.
Okay. Don't look at home. Okay. Ready, set. Who is it? Who is that? What's wrong? Is that who you wanted? Is that Aurora?
No.
Who is that? What's inside the bag? Let's see. So this goes right here. Right? Am I doing this right? I hope so. Did I do it upside down? Here, let's see Vivian. Alright. And then put the person right there. Right here, like this. And this is... I think that's... What is it? Prince Philip?
It's Philip.
It's Prince Philip?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yep. See, his name is Fish Philip.
Alright.
Yeah. We can't do like that.
You want to take it out?
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, I put it like this, so it's not upside down. It's upside down. It's okay.
Where does Prince Philip go? Where does he go? In there? What are you doing?
It's this way.
Oh, okay. See,
And it's supposed to go in here.
how did he go? Doo, 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 doo.
And look, see right? And those are the pumps. And post where the put this is to go with these ones. And when you put some more blocks, to see this more pushes.
Okay.
Please for the baby.
You got it, Vivian. Let me see Prince Philip. Let's see. Put him in the box.
Wait.
Let's see. All right. I think he's supposed to go like this. What do you think?
Nice, Prince Philip.
Oh, Prince Philip?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look what we got, Violet.
Yeah, I think Prince Philip is Aurora's prince. Or one she ends up marrying.
Could be wrong.